Take a look at this girl. She almost fell right out of the pool. This got a lot of people wondering, what would happen if someone really did fall out of one of these infinity pools? In reality, these pools look like they have no edge, but there's usually a special water channel outside the pool to catch the water. So if someone did fall, they'd mostly just land in the water channel. The edges of the channel are usually protected by a fence, or the area is just not very dangerous. That means even if someone falls, they can easily climb back up. Some people also worry about rooftop glass pools, thinking with all the weight, won't the glass crack and cause an accident? Actually, these glass pools are made with high-strength laminated tempered glass, which is really tough and can withstand a lot of impact. Even if the glass does break, it won't shatter like regular glass.